Today I'm going to show you a DIY how I change and replace my outlet cover.
Hello everyone, welcome to Princess Jen channel.
Comment, like, subscribe. Guys, a lot of us were afraid to change our light switches or bulbs or whatever. So if you are scared to do that, all you need to do is to find the breaker box. So this is the breaker box right here. You open it and you have it according to where you want to be. So I wanted to go to the outlet, so I just would turn off this one. So now I turn off the outlets, and then I can go now and change the outlet that I need to change. So don't be afraid to do your own things at home. You can be self-reliant. Don't bother to wait on people that will tell you they'll come today and they don't show up. So this is it. I just turned off the outlet, and then I'm on my way to go and replace the cover for the outlet in my bedroom. Today I'm going to remove and replace this outlet cover right here with this one, so it could match the animal print switch cover that I replaced. So there I go. Since I have my finger is sprained and I have a brace on it, it's difficult for me to do it. So that's why you see me having to use my finger just to unscrew it. Okay. Now that's it here. In the right place. So the screw they sent with it is an animal print one. Okay, let's just take the old one then, because this one doesn't look like it could really work. So I had to use the old screw back because it's the animal print screw they sent me to match the cover. It did not work properly. So there we go. It's replaced. Can you see it? And I did it in less than 4 minutes because I didn't have my proper I only using 4 fingers, not 5, because this one is in a splint, but that's okay. Do it yourself works, and I wanted to just see this look to match the same one I just have to do a little bit of painting, and there we go. Replace, and I put what I wanted here, so it could also match this. I did that one yesterday and this one today. Now that I have finished changing and replacing the outlet cover, then I can turn on the breaker. So here you go. I turn it on, and then that's all it is. I'm going to cover it back. There you go. So I cover it and secure it, and then the job is done. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Do it yourself. Thank you. Bye.